It's me, Pavitran. I'm just gonna do a quick analysis of crude. I just marked three levels, which will be helpful for you. Just check out these levels. Like I said yesterday in the video, 23.50 will act as a strong support. If it closed below that, we can see the first cross here. It took support and went all the way till 25.30. Then again it came down and retested and then broke, and then it went up. After going up, it again came down. It See how it took support and again it went up. The same way it broke that with a single candle and came down, and again it took support at 23.50. See the levels of being formed from 23.50 and 25.30, and you can see somewhere around $27. It's taking some kind of resistance there. uh, I advise you to short below this resistance level for today, somewhere around, if it closed below 25.20 or even 25 with a strong volume, then you can short it. Your expected target will be around this region 25.50, and even a close below 25.50 can take crude downwards, so towards 20. And for going up, first it should break. What is the initial resistance it is having? See the recent high, this is the initial resistance. Somewhere around $26 will be some initial hurdle. The next hurdle will be the recent high formed. If you can see that clearly, somewhere around 25.50 to 25.40, the candle has not given any close over that region, so the second hurdle will be around that side, and the major hurdle will be around $27. See, if you can see here, in this region it had struggled much more around this $27, so we can see somewhat hurdle in that region around $27. Okay, I will just give you a quick sample about how RSI is gonna help us in this video. As you can see, RSI is trading in a range. I use RSI only for trend confirmation. I have drawn a channel connecting the highs and the lows. Highs, if you can see from the left side, which is placed at 20, see how it is coming in a downward channel. After that, from yesterday it took support. See how RSI went below to 10, and it started to show some positive shift in bullishness. The same way right now, until and unless this channel gets broken, it is now in bullish setup. This is how I actually draw levels on the RSI, that only for trend confirmation, because sometimes it gets sloppy for me to able to predict the trend. That times RSI helps in most. Now the only hurdle, somewhere around recent high of this candle around 9 o'clock which has formed, it will give a tough time to close about $26, and the next one will be around $27. Okay, I will go back to Indian chart to give some views about that. Okay, just a minute, sorry for that, just hold on. Okay, there we go. I think it will take another 30 seconds or more, I think. Sorry for that. Yes, okay. Okay, right now how to trade this? See, the candle is been bullish one. I can either trade somewhere to get trying to place an entry around 2000, and stop loss below the low of the recent 1030 candle low, somewhere around 1990 would be good entry. But I'm not in that much favor to take entry today, because I'm not satisfied with any of the setup that has formed. So today is no trade zone for me. I also suggest others to closely look out for the levels which I have given you. I am in no trade zone today because I don't find any setups that is okay for me to trade. So no trade for me too. Thank you.